Hello students, now in this video we'll discuss about the astronomical telescope. There are two types of astronomical telescope in your syllabus. Number one, refracting type, and number two, reflecting type. Now here we will discuss about the refracting type telescope. In the refracting type telescope, again there are two cases. One case when the image is formed at least distance of distinct vision, and second case when the image is formed at infinity. So we have to discuss here only one case when the image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. Now to simplify that topic, we have to make a ray diagram and take a two lens system. One lens is the objective lens, other lens is the eye lens. The focal length of the objective lens, that is FO, it is greater than the focal length of the eye lens, and the aperture of the objective lens is greater than the aperture of the eye lens. So these are the differences between them. This lens is always directed towards the object, and eye lens is used here to see the image of the object. Now in that case, when the rays are coming from infinity, because it is used to see the heavenly bodies or stars or planets, so the rays are coming from infinity, they are coming parallel to each other and incident on the first face of the objective lens and makes an angle alpha with the principal axis. After that they will be focused at a point and form an image of the object, that is A dash B dash. Here the A dash B dash image, this is a real inverted and magnified image. It is formed in between the focal point of the eye lens and the optic center of the eye lens. Therefore, this is act as an object for the eye lens, and the final image is formed at A double dash B double dash by adjusting the distance between the objective lens and the eye lens. So here is the distance of the object, that is infinity. In the distance of the image V is equal to D, and here this image which is having distance from the eye lens, that is equal to UE, and the distance from the optic center of the first objective lens to the FO, that is equal to FO. It is the focal length of the objective lens. Similarly here C dash to FE, it is the focal length of the eye lens. Now we will discuss here what is the magnifying power in that case. So in that case, the magnifying power can be defined as the ratio of the angle subtended by the image when placed at least distance of distinct vision to the angle subtended by the object when placed at infinity is known as magnifying power of the astronomical telescope. So M is equal to the angle subtended by the image, that is beta in the triangle A dash B dash C dash, and the angle subtended by the object, that is alpha, here is in the triangle C A dash B dash. So it is equal to beta upon alpha. In that case, alpha and beta, these are the very two small angles. So when the angles are very small, they can be easily replaced by the tangent. So we can write here tan beta upon tan alpha. Now we have to find out the value of tan beta in triangle A dash B dash C dash. You will get A dash B dash upon C dash A dash. Similarly, tan alpha in triangle C A dash B dash, that is equal to A dash B dash divided by C A dash. Now simplify it. So M will be equal to A dash B dash upon C dash A dash into, and that is C A dash divided by A dash B dash, and this term are cancel out, and we will get C A dash upon C dash A dash. Now from the figure, C A dash that is equal to FO, and it is taken as positive, and the next is C dash A dash, that is equal to UE. C dash equal to UE. Again, put this value in the above formula. So M will be equal to FO upon UE. So this is the formula, first formula. Now we have to use here the lens equation for the eye lens. Now using lens equation for eye lens we have 1 upon VE minus 1 upon UE equal to 1 upon FE. From this equation, we have to find out the value of 1 upon UE. So in this formula, when we write 1 upon UE in the right side and then write like that, 1 upon UE will be equal to minus 1 upon FE and plus 1 upon UE. Now by simplifying, taking 1 upon FE common in this bracket, in this term, and we will get, when we taking this common, we will get 1. This negative will be equal to positive and this positive will be equal to negative, and we will get FE upon UE. So this is the next formula for the M, and M magnification power will be equal to, when you put here the value of 1 upon UE, that is FO upon this minus FE within the bracket 1 minus FE upon UE. So it is the formula first and this is the formula second. Again we have to convert the formula by using the new Cartesian sign convention, and when we convert the formula by using the new Cartesian sign convention, the value of the UE, the value of the that is equal to VE. This is the VE because UE is here. So when we find out the value of UE from the formula, so UE equal to minus D. This is equal to minus D. So the formula for the magnifying power will be equal to minus FO upon FE, and put the values 1 minus FE upon, that is minus D, and this minus minus will be equal to plus. So the formula will be equal to minus FO upon FE 1 plus FE upon D. So this is the formula for the magnification when the image is formed at the least distance of distinct vision. Okay, so I hope that you have to understand that topic, and next we'll discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.